How to make money selling AI-generated prompt packs for passive income. Keywords: sell prompt packs online, AI side hustle ideas 2026, make money with ChatGPT prompts, digital products to sell online, passive income with AI tools. Estimated read time, 3 minutes. The new digital gold. While everyone else is selling AI-generated templates, smart creators are selling the instructions that make those templates. These are known as prompt packs. A single prompt pack can sell over 500 times at $9 to $49 each, with zero ongoing work. This is one of the fastest ways to start an online business with AI in 2026. What is a prompt pack? A prompt pack is a collection of 50 to 200 carefully written prompts or commands for AI tools like Midjourney, DALL-E 3, ChatGPT, or Claude. Buyers use these prompts to generate their own images, text, or code instantly. This is a perfect digital product to sell online without inventory or shipping. Here is an example. Instead of selling one resume template for $10, you sell 100 prompts to generate any resume template for $29. Customers can then make unlimited templates themselves. That is how you scale your online income exponentially. Top 5 prompt pack niches in 2026. The first niche is Instagram carousel prompts. The target buyer is social media managers. The price range is $19 to $39. The second niche is email subject line prompts. The target buyer is e-commerce owners. The price range is $29 to $59. The third niche is Midjourney texture prompts. The target buyer is graphic designers. The price range is $15 to $25. The fourth niche is legal contract prompts. The target buyer is freelancers. The price range is $49 to $99. The fifth niche is kids story illustration prompts. The target buyer is parents and teachers. The price range is $12 to $24. Step by step to create your first prompt pack. Step 1 is to choose a specific problem, not a general topic. A bad example is ChatGPT prompts for marketing. A good example is 50 ChatGPT prompts to write Facebook ads for real estate agents. Step 2 is to generate the prompts using AI with meta prompts. Go to Claude AI and use this master prompt. Act as an expert prompt engineer. Create 50 different prompts for your chosen niche. Each prompt should be detailed, include variables in square brackets, and produce a unique output. Organize them into 5 categories of 10 prompts each. Output as a numbered list ready to copy. Step 3 is to organize and beautify. Put the prompts in a Google Sheet or a PDF using a Canva template. Add a one-page how to use this pack guide. Include 5 bonus prompts as a lead magnet. Step 4 is to set up your store using free platforms. Gumroad is best for beginners with 0% fee on the free plan. PayHip is EU-friendly and includes VAT handling. ETSE has high traffic but charges a 20-cent listing fee. Step 5 is to price for impulse buys. For a pack of 25 prompts, the price is $7 to $9 with a conversion rate of 5 to 8%. For a pack of 50 prompts, the price is $12 to $19 with a conversion rate of 8 to 12%. For a pack of over 100 prompts, the price is $29 to $49 with a conversion rate of 3 to 6%. Start with 50 prompts at $14. This is the sweet spot. Step 6 is to drive traffic without ads. Post on Product Hunt for free and get early upvotes. Share a free sample of 10 prompts on Reddit in communities like r/ChatGPT prompts and r/AI tools. Create a prompt of the day on Twitter or X with a link in your bio. Collaborate with YouTubers by giving them a free pack in exchange for a review. How to make recurring revenue for advanced users. Once you have 3 to 5 prompt packs, create a membership. Tier 1 is $9 per month and includes 5 new prompts weekly. Tier 2 is $19 per month and includes 20 new prompts plus access to all past packs. Use Ghost or Memberful to manage subscriptions. This turns a side hustle from home into a full-time income. Real case study from an anonymous seller. In January 2026, a seller created a pack of 100 Midjourney prompts for fantasy maps. They posted it on Gumroad for $19. Within 60 days, they sold 342 copies, which generated $6,498. Then they added an $8 per month membership for 10 new prompts weekly. Now they have 214 members, generating $1,712 per month in passive income. Total time invested was 6 hours. Legal and ethical note. Do not include prompts that copy copyrighted characters like Mickey Mouse or Marvel characters. Do not claim that you invented the AI tool itself. Do include a license that says for personal and commercial use. Your 3-day launch plan. On day 1, choose your niche and generate 50 prompts using the meta prompt. On day 2, design your PDF or sheet and create your Gumroad product page. On day 3, post a free sample on Reddit and launch on Product Hunt. Tools summary, all of which are free. For prompt generation, use Claude AI. For PDF design, use Canva. For your storefront, use Gumroad. For payment processing, use Stripe, which is free to connect. For analytics, use the Gumroad dashboard. Why this beats selling templates? There are several reasons. First, no revisions. Prompts either work or they do not. There is no customer asking you to change the font. Second, no file hosting. You only need a PDF or sheet link. Third, higher perceived value. Customers feel they are buying knowledge, not just a file. Fourth, repeat buyers. The same customer will buy your next pack. For more, visit our website. Please subscribe, like, and share.